Hello, Otto here from London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Starline i96 Pro on a Volvo 2022 XC90. So how the system works, someone grabs this key, jumps in, starts it, the vehicle starts, so you can retain your remote start. Try and put it in gear, it just won't go into gear. Foot's on the brake, won't go into gear. So we've done something very, very basic on the window. So tap, 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 tap. We'll get a melody, and there you go. We'll be able to select a gear, okay? When we turn the start button off, within about 10 seconds, the system will arm, okay? Also on here, we supply tags. We've taken the battery out. I'm just going to show you how the tags work. So now I've got the battery in the tag. All I do now is start the vehicle up. There's our melody, select a gear and drive away. So much more convenient, and it's a controlled range on the Bluetooth tags, okay? When the customer wants to take it for a service, you can do it in a push sequence, but here we're going to show you the tag. It's easy. So while you're in the vehicle, put your finger on the button, hold it till it starts flashing quickly. When it flashes quickly, let go. We get 2 bleeps and it will go orange, okay? The system is now completely disarmed. It's not speed or distance dependent. When you get the vehicle back, jump in the vehicle, hold it till it starts flashing rapidly, let go. Sorry, I'll do it again. Hold it till it starts flashing rapidly. There you go. There you go, and it goes green. There you go. So now if I start it, there's our disarm melody, select a gear and drive away. This is one of the cleanest products we fit on the XC90. It's very, very straightforward to use. Really simple. 2 tags, which are optional extras. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call, 02890 60478, 02890 60478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.